Hi, I'm Kemi,
And I'm Kelly.
and today we are making our Aunt
Aunt
Gussie's
Gussie's
pound
pound
cake. The reason why this recipe is so popular in our family is just because it's so easy. So
Yeah.
you don't have to preheat the oven.
It's a technique, yeah. And I don't know why, but it's just like, this is how you do it. Yeah.
It's just like been around forever, and everybody makes it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You, Aunta, my mother,
Yeah.
everybody. And it's super easy to whip out, like if you have guests coming over, and it's just like, okay, you can make this in like a short amount of time.
It looks like it took a lot of time and it really doesn't, and it's kind of foolproof. But I think for us, it's got that family tie. So when I make it, I think about my mother and I think about Aunt Gussie. It's sort of like keeping her alive and the memory of her and the special ties with her through this pound cake.
Just stuff in your face.
Just stuff in your face. No, Aunt Gussie was sort of like a trailblazer. She never married, which was like a kind of thing at that time. And she did things her way, including baking. She was a very strong figure, especially at a time when maybe women of color were not viewed in that way. And Aunt Gussie, she lived with her sister, Aunt Anna, in Youngstown, Ohio. And we would go every year to visit them, like stepping back in time. They used to set the table for every meal. They ironed their sheets. They made their own jam. They made everything. It does present a time to love on each other a little bit, you know? My Lanta, really good. Right? Mm-hmm.